In today's video, I'm doing a Paisley flower painting in blues. In my last video, I had asked if people wanted to see some different color palettes, and a couple of people did request blues, so I wanted to try it out. I have a really nice dark phthalo blue, and then I have 3 shades of some lighter blues that are all metallics, so those will dry really nicely and give it a nice sparkly pop of color. I also have some greens and white for my background, and then I'm also going to add silver in with some of the flowers. And I'm just working on a 12-inch circle, and I'm going to pour some of my white down before adding my greens. And then I've really been enjoying using my airbrush to move those greens around for my background, and then adding the colors for the flowers on top. I have each of my colors mixed with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water. I do keep my paints a little bit on the thicker side for this so that they don't move while they're drying. Once I have my white down, I'm just adding a very small amount of green at the bottom and then using my airbrush to blow it up and really create a nice flowy, airy background to give it some kind of grass or some leaf looking areas. I really liked that darker green, so I added a little bit more of that, but that nice pale light green also looked really nice once it was all dry. To do my flowers, I'm just using some pipettes. It holds a really nice small amount of paint, and it gives me a lot of control about where I'm putting my paint down and how much I'm putting down for each flower. And I'm just going across my canvas and alternating what colors I'm using. I really started out with the dark blue and really liked the way that that one looked, but obviously didn't want to make every single flower look the same. So I did some lighter colors and added that darker blue in it, and then did some of the darker colors and added the lighter colors in just to mix it up a little bit. Once I had my colors down in the puddles, I just used another pipette to swipe through them to create that paisley looking pattern. I didn't have my little dropper tool that I used before, so you could pretty much just use anything. A stir stick would work, a paintbrush would work. Just use what you have on hand, and you can just create a really nice design through your puddles of colors doing this technique. I hope you guys like this video. I've really been enjoying doing this technique. It's kind of like my dip paintings. The flowers are just really fun to do, and I may look into new ways of creating some flowers just to have some fun designs. But I have some ideas for mixing techniques in the future to create some beautiful bouquets of flowers, so we'll see how that turns out. But if there are other colors that you'd like to see me use, let me know in the comments below and I'll try out some more of these. But let me know what you think, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I do put out 2 videos a week right now. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.